Hello, good morning, children. Yes, today we have read the lesson number 5, The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. Now, all of you watch, listen, and understand the explanation of the lesson. We all sometimes keep pets at home, isn't it? It can be birds or animals. Children, can you tell which pet bird we normally keep? Yes, it is parrot and sometimes lovebirds also. Does parrot talk? Yes, it talks. This lesson, The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk, is written by Ruskin Bound, a well-known storyteller of India. He spent his life in Dehradun and loves writing stories about the forests, hill stations, and people of different regions. He spent his childhood in Missouri with his aunt Ruby, grandmother, and grandfather. All his neighbors kept a parrot or parakeet, other name of parrot. Parrot, okay, parakeet is other name of parrot. All parrots used to say, "Study, child, study. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy." What the parrots used to say? "Study, child, study. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy." Aunt Ruby had brought the parrot from a bird catcher. Grandfather and grandmother were not happy keeping birds as pet. But Aunt Ruby wanted to keep parrot as pet and teach it to talk. But the parrot did not like Aunt Ruby. She used to go near the parrot and say, "Kiss, kiss." But parrot did not say anything and moved back in anger. One day, parrot took off Aunt Ruby's spectacles. After that, Aunt Ruby stopped showing love for the parrot. She stopped talking with it and said to the parrot, "Can't talk, can't dance." Now the small boy had to feed the parrot. He used to give him green chili and ripe tomatoes. Parrots like very much green chili and tomatoes. During summer season, he gave it mangoes. One afternoon, when he was feeding the parrot with cage door open, the parrot flew away and sat on the mango tree. Grandfather told, "The parrot has escaped." The boy said, "The door of the cage was loose." Aunt Ruby was very upset. After few days, the parrot came back and sat on the veranda. The boy gave him half the mango. The parrot ate the mango. Aunt Ruby saw the parrot and said, "My parrot has come back." But the parrot flew away from the veranda and sat on the rose bush and screamed, "You are no beauty, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance." After that, it used to come regularly to their house. But when it saw Aunt Ruby, it would say, "You are no beauty, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance." So this, whenever the parrot used to come, the parrot used to repeat these words. You are no beauty, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance. The parrot is taking revenge. Okay. So now what is the moral of the story, children? The moral of the story is that we should not insult or tease anyone. It can be human beings, animals, or birds. Birds and animals have emotions. They understand our language and also tone and are very clever. So, you all understood the lesson and the story also. So, thank you, children.